Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning about a reaction of an alkali. So in the previous video we have learned that alkali goes through reaction with acid. Now alkalis also go through another reaction, and this is a reaction with ammonium salt. So what is an ammonium salt? We have learned that salt can be a chloride, a nitrate, or a sulfate. So an ammonium salt is ammonium chloride, ammonium nitrate, and ammonium sulfate. So basically, an ammonium salt is a salt that has ammonium as the cation. Now, alkalis react with ammonium salt when heated to form salt, water, and ammonia gas. So alkali plus ammonium salt with heat form salt, water, and ammonium gas. Alright, so over here I have sodium hydroxide and ammonium nitrate. So what will I form? I will form, let's start with the water first. So it will form water. It will form ammonia gas, which you must remember, NH3. Alright, so how do we determine the salt? So the salt would be over here, the nitrate and the sodium. So this one will form sodium nitrate. Okay, now let's try writing a chemical equation. So sodium hydroxide is Na plus OH minus, so therefore it's NaOH. Ammonium is NH4 plus, please remember, right? And nitrate is NO3 minus, because both of them are the same charge. So therefore the formula will be NH4NO3. Let me write this a bit neater. NH4NO3. So what will I form? I'll form the salt, which is basically taking the metal from the alkali and the anion from the ammonium salt. So I will get sodium nitrate Na plus, because group 1, and nitrate must remember NO3 minus, so it's NaNO3 plus water H2O plus ammonia gas NH3. So now I need to check whether it's balanced, and it looks like it's balanced. Okay, let's try another example. So over here we have potassium hydroxide and ammonium sulfate. So we have an alkali reacting with an ammonium salt. So I'll form salt, water, and ammonia gas. So let's start by writing the water and ammonia gas first, NH3. So the salt will be from potassium and sulfate. So the salt name will be potassium sulfate. So let's write the equation down. So potassium is also from group 1. So it's K plus, OH minus. So this is KOH. And then ammonium sulfate will be NH4 plus. This is something you must remember. And sulfate will be SO42 minus. So over here, we are going to balance this nicely. So NH4, put a 2, and SO4. Alright, and then the salt name is potassium sulfate. Potassium is from group 1, so K plus. Sulfate is SO42 minus. So because the charges are not balanced, I need 2K to balance off the charges. K2SO4 plus water H2O plus ammonia gas. Now, this looks like I need to balance this equation. So I got 2Ks on the right side. So I probably need to put a 2 here. And I have 2 N's here, but I only have 1 N on the right side. So I probably need to put a 2 here. So other than that, I probably need to count my hydrogens. So if I put this as this, I have 2 hydrogens here, and I have 8 hydrogens here. So I got a total of 10 hydrogens on the left side. And on the right side, I got 2 hydrogens here, and I got 6 hydrogens here. So that means that's not enough. So I probably need to put a 2 right over here. Okay, so let's write that out. So probably a 2 here, a 2 here, and a 2 here. Okay, so please practice the next equation by yourself, right, and check your answer in the future. Now we need to also learn how to test for ammonia gas. So now we know that ammonia gas is an alkaline gas, and because it's an alkaline gas, I can test it with red litmus paper and it should turn blue. So the test is to put the litmus paper on top of the test tube, which we have done in the lab. And if the gas turns the red litmus paper blue, then the gas is ammonia gas. Right? So then we say that gas is ammonia. Alright? So that's the reaction of alkali with ammonium salt to form ammonia gas. I hope that has been helpful. Bye.